That's just one container of our Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake. We've got 1 can of Grand's cinnamon rolls, and we're just gonna bring that right over here. Cut into bite-sized pieces. Now we are just gonna add these to our no-bake cheesecake. Perfect. 1 stick of melted butter, or 1/2 cup. And we're gonna put in a whole tablespoon of cinnamon because we want this to be extra cinnamony. All right, I'm just gonna start mixing this to combine everything. These are all of my favorite flavors, my husband's favorite flavors. Cheesecake, cinnamon rolls. Definitely the cinnamon rolls are his kryptonite. He cannot say no, so we try to save them for special occasions. If we had them in here every day, I mean, we would be eating them every day. And I don't think we get sick of them. So we're just mixing all this up, just 4 simple ingredients: our cinnamon rolls, our no-bake cheesecake, 1/2 cup of butter or 1 stick, and a little bit of extra cinnamon mixed in here. Alrighty guys, I'm just gonna add some chopped pecans right on top here. That looks great. We are gonna pop this in our oven 350 for 40 minutes. Alrighty guys, we had this in there at 350 for 40 minutes. Look how delicious our cinnamon roll cheesecake bake is. I'm gonna add our frosting, of course, that came with. Now I just heated this up for 10 seconds. Maybe I needed 15. We're just gonna drizzle that right on there. Oh, best part of cinnamon rolls, am I right? All right, let's cut into this. See what it looks like. I'm excited. Oh, wow. That looks absolutely delicious. And I have a very special guest who's gonna try it. Andrew.
Oh my goodness.
I have a feeling this is gonna be your new favorite.
It's like monkey bread cheesecake cake with jizzle on top.
How is it?
It's fluffy. It's cheesecakey. It's perfect.
Y'all, you gotta try it.